His apathy, or total disinterest, in his new job was beginning to anger his boss. Does apathy mean time spent after hours, appointment, sensitivity, or attitude of not caring? Taking a closer look at our sentence, we can see that after the word apathy, there is a comma and a synonym provided: total disinterest. We can also see, looking at the context the sentence provides, that no matter what his apathy is, it is something that his boss is not happy about. Using this information, let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. We can automatically cross off time spent after hours and sensitivity, as neither of these are things that would anger a boss. We can also cross off appointment, as that doesn't match up with our definition, total disinterest. We are left with D, attitude of not caring, which fits in perfectly with our sentence and is therefore our answer.